Yes,
कितें सांगपाचें हाव यू फील
I feel very good and happy, of course. And yeah, I thank my voters for trusting in me and having faith in me.
आनी कितें सांगपाचें अबाउट बाबू सपोर्ट आनी हें
No, we were supported head on strong by our MLA, our minister, by the party. I would thank our party president, the chief minister. They really supported the entire panel. They helped us a lot.
Karuna, you think that because of Babu's support, you are able to win this seat?
Everyone's combined efforts have brought this victory. And yes, of course, he's the MLA. He has done a lot for the people of Miramar, of Tonka. So yes, it shows that Panjim is in very good hands. And yeah.
What are the issues in your wards?
See, my major issues in the wards are basically, there are no issues as such. The major issue, which was the water clogging and all, that has been resolved slowly. It will be resolved in this.
सो आनी व्हडली कांय कामां ना म्हणटा
व्हडली असली काय कामां ना. मिरामार ते सेंट मेरी एरिया बीन गार्बेज कलेक्शन टायमार आसा सगळें आसा. सेक्युरिटी
तुमी
वर्किंग ऑन इट ऑल्सो वॉट एवर इज नीड टू बी डन.
एज अ फर्स्ट टाइमर कॅन्डिडेट हाव यू फील नाव बीइंग यू गोइंग टू सीट इन द CCP
I remember my grandfather. He was the chairperson of CCP, Mr. Kashik Branko. So I remember him today, and I know he'll be proud of me on top. And my dad's father also, Mr. Gajanan Shirodkar. So yes, politics is in our blood. So yes, keep it.
Thank you.